Good morning, everyone. It is the last practice class for KIT Iizuka, second period, Friday for English 4C. First of all, a little bit of news. I was told this morning that I made another mistake on the due dates for the email writing quiz. So if you sent in the email writing quiz and you thought, oh no, this is late because it was actually set for January of 2022, don't worry. One of your friends told me. I said it again, and now the due date is properly for, there it is, 2023. So I corrected that. So any submission that you made before will be fine. Okay, now this week is the last week that we have to practice with your teams. Now, I'm looking and I don't really see all of the teams here. There's nothing much I can do about that, but I hope some people will be coming in later. And that's why I set the time so that then we would do a little bit of a warm up, and then you would be sitting with your groups and be doing your conversation practice. As it is right now, I see four, that's 8, 12, 16, only 18 students. But let's see if we can get that number up to at least I think I have 6 groups. One group might not be here, but we'll see. In any case, you have your homework answers for the last homework that you had from last week, and you have your final reflection about what you learned about your English. And I hope that the class was useful to you, that you understood that English shouldn't just be about TOEIC or learning more vocabulary or just focusing on your grammar or thinking that you can't speak English. You can speak English. You can speak English badly, but you can speak English. And from here, even after this test, if you will continue speaking English, you will continue getting better. If you stop speaking English, I guarantee you, everything you learned in this class will start to go down. So what you do from here is very, very important. It's all up to you. Now, next week is your speaking test. Please come early. Some of you are still coming late, so next week is your speaking test. Please take the earlier train. Please take the earlier bus. Do not come here late because I want to make sure that speaking test is on time. Also, your written test is the week after that. It's an on-demand test. So you can use this room if you want. If you don't have any other classes on February 3rd, and you can do it at home, it's an on-demand class. Make sure that your headphones are working before you actually start the test. Basically what we did last semester, but this time I just won't be here. So you can do this at home or in the classroom, but it has to be, okay, done at second period. So you can't do it anytime on February 3rd. It has to be from 10:30 to 12. Okay? If you have any questions about any of that, please make sure that you ask me in this class because this is the last time we'll have to be able to chat easily. Otherwise, good luck with your speaking test. Good luck with your written test. Thanks very much.